Your demons drag me close to hell. I can feel them.
Hi guys, I hope you guys are doing well today. Welcome back to my channel, and if you're new here, welcome. My name is Abiola. From the title you guys can see that I'm gonna be doing different kinds of ombre lips, and I'm honestly so excited about this brand because it's a black owned business. The name of the company is called Beautymarked and Co on Instagram, and I'm going to leave the website link in the description box below for you guys to see. So at this stage of everything happening, like to support a black owned business, so I wanted to just make, because I was looking for lipsticks to buy, and I wanted to just make sure that I support my own people. And here is what it looks like when it came in. I bought they have a bundle deal for 9 lipsticks and this cosmetic bag, and I just love the packaging, like this black girl magic going on right here. I really love it. So I honestly only wear ombre lips. It makes sense to just show you different ways that you can kind of manipulate these lipsticks to make it look bomb. Can I do my video please? These are all the lipstick shades, and honestly they look really amazing. And first I'm gonna go ahead and do the red shade. I'm gonna be using this 3 colors right here. First things to remember though, when you're doing an ombre lip, you want to go from dark to light, and so I'm going to be using this dark color right here. This is in darker. I'm going to put the description box below because I feel like I won't be able to pronounce the words correctly, but I'm going to put exactly what I'm using in the description box below in case you guys get confused with the names. So I'm going to go in with this darker, this is the darkest shade here, so I'm going to use that first. So next I'm gonna go in with this like dark red, and that one is called Cairo. And when you're doing an ombre lip, you want to make sure the colors are blending together. I'm putting the red lipstick right on top of the color, but like not everywhere. And then next, I'm gonna go in with this orange shade. It's called Tamale. And I already love the combination already, like it looks so good to me. So when you're done, it looks something like so. I love this a lot. This is how it came out, and I love it. Like it looks really good to me. The colors match perfectly. I forgot to mention that this smells really good as well. I love the combination and the way it came out. I literally don't want to take it off. I think it just really matches on my look right now. I love the way this came out, and it's like really easy to blend as well, so I love that. I'm definitely feel like, you know, I made a good choice with this company, and so I'm gonna go ahead and move on to the next ombre lip. So next I'm going to be using these 3 colors right here. Like I said, I'm going to be going from the dark color first, so I'm still using Decor because I think I just really love this shade. I'm going to be using Decor first. To mention that when I'm doing an ombre lip, I don't like to wait for it to like dry up. I always want to just make, because it's easier to blend before they dry. So I'm going to be using Abuja next. Like these 2 colors already like go so well together as well, but I'm gonna top it with Kigali. Comes out looking like so. I love this as well. This is more like a purplish look. I love how this came. I actually thought this was gonna be like a pinkish kind of thing, but this is more on the purple side. I think I'm gonna still try the pink as well, but I love the way this came out as well. If I have some like pink or purple like eyeshadow going, like matching it together, I think that would look good if you're trying to be like, you know, like a creative makeup kind of thing. So I love this as well. I do, I really do. I think the colors really blend really well together. So I'm not mad at it. I'm not. But it's more on the purple side, so I'm gonna try and maybe do something more that is like more pinkish. So I'm gonna go ahead and move on to the next ombre lip. So I'm gonna be using these 3 colors now, and I'm gonna try and see if I can get the pink that I'm actually looking for, because this guy is more of the darkest color here, and kind of goes, it definitely matches with everything. So I'm gonna use that first. So now I'm gonna go in with Nairobi, which is more like a soft pink. Even those two together, like I love already. That looks nice together. That looks really nice together. So next, I'm gonna go in with Abuja, which is more like a lighter pink, just to give it that like pink effect. So this is more like on the pink side. The other one is like purple, and this is more on the pink side. What do you guys think? What do you guys think about this? I love this. I love the red one, and I love this pink one. The purple one is a lot for me. I don't know. Like I usually don't try that, but this, I definitely wear something like this. This looks really good to me. So anyways, I'm gonna go ahead, I'm gonna move on to like a more nude shade, which is something I always wear all the time. So I'm gonna be using these 3 shades right here. I want to see what it's gonna give me for the nude. So let's go ahead and put the darker shade first, and which I'm gonna using darker again. Go in with Kampala, which is like a nude, but like not too like light. It's a perfect nude for my color. Actually, I love that. Look at that. That looks so good and smells so good. Literally, you can wear this like this as well. It looks like it looks like a little soft pinkish to me. So, but I want a really nude look. Okay, so like so, and then I'm gonna go in with this like really light nude and just top it off. Ooh, I like this. Oh yes. So I wonder, like, if I don't use the darker on the outer lip, I wonder how it looks. I feel like it will look probably like more nude. I don't know if I should try that. So they also have a lip gloss. I'm gonna top this with their lip gloss and see what this looks like. Because I love nudie, like, but nude and like with gloss. It's always a vibe. So I love this a lot. This is definitely something that I would definitely wear, but it's still giving me like a little bit of pink vibes, and I really want the nude. So I'm gonna go ahead and try different colors and see how else I can really get that nude color that I want. I'm really trying to get the really nude, the nude lip combo. So I'm gonna go ahead and try this, these 3 shades right here. And the first one I'm gonna put on is called Katom. I'm gonna go in with Kampala. Hopefully I'm able to get the nude that I want. Okay. And then I'm not gonna go in with the lightest like nude color. I think this is definitely more on the nude side. So this is usually like what I would wear always because I love nude so much. So this gives you like that nude combination, and I really love the way this came out. So it's all dried up now, and this is what it looks like. And I really love this. This is, I'm gonna go ahead and add the gloss because usually for my nude lips I always add gloss. That looks really good. So this is it, and this is basically all I have for you guys for this video. I love all the lip combinations, though. I hope you guys enjoyed watching this video. So I really love. They didn't disappoint me. The lipsticks were amazing. It was very easy to blend. It smells really good. So I definitely recommend this company. I just found them. I think they've been around for a little bit, but I just found them on Instagram, so I think they're definitely worth supporting. And I really love the mixtures. The possibilities of this lipsticks are endless. We can mix and match them in so many different ways that you want. So let me know down in the comments which one was your favorite, and if you're watching and you haven't subscribed to my channel, please go ahead and do so. I post here every week, so I will have another video up for you guys next week. And always remember to be you, and I will see you guys in my next one. Bye guys.